This is June 21st, 2023. I just changed my front differential gear oil. Couldn't find anything in the manuals. I was trying to get prepared to do it and really couldn't find any information on the internet or anything. And then when I come out to look at it, I figured out why nothing's on the internet. It's not even the manuals because it's so easy. You need a 10 millimeter hex, and this is your plug. This is your fill plug. This is the drain plug. And basically, I cranked it up a little bit with the jack so I can get underneath. Other than that, it took me all but 5 minutes. Well, it took longer when I pumped the oil in. It takes 0.7 liters of oil. Probably has a little bit more because I have it on a tilt. So I probably have 0.8, 0.9 liters. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I decided to just go ahead with this 75 weight 90 gear oil, and it requires GL5, and we have GL5 right here. Meets or exceeds the performance requirements for complete. No, sorry, that's Spanish. For requirements for these guys right here, GL5 API GL5. So I actually did the rear differential also yesterday. I didn't film it, but it was little. Let's take a look at that. But basically, that was it. The oil that came out was a little dark. There's no metal on the magnet. Came out a little dark. Looked like it's hasn't been replaced in a while. Some of that dirt is from other stuff, but when it was coming out, it was fairly clear, but it looked like it needed to be changed. Looked like it hadn't been changed in a while. But if I go back here to the rear differential, there's the fill plug right here, which is a 3/8 socket drive right here. And then there's a drain bolt right here. I think that was a 19 millimeter. Don't quote me. I think it was a 19 millimeter. It all came off pretty easy. Nothing too terribly difficult about this operation. I used the same oil, pumped it up in here. The only thing I'm waiting to do is change the transmission gear oil. I'm waiting on oil to come. I'm still kind of thinking about making sure I know how to refill this thing, where the actual real fill plug is on that. So I'm getting not confused, just kind of wondering which is the correct fill plug, whether I have it right or the gentleman that made the other video had it right. But I'll make a film on that when I get the oil, probably next week. It's hard to find that GL4 oil in my area anyway. But as soon as I get it, I'm going to change it. And I should be good to go with the fluids. The only thing I haven't changed was the radiator coolant, which I looked at and it looked like it was fresh. I mean, it looked super clean, super good. So I'm not really too worried about that. Only question is the people put the any kind of coolant that's going to have corrosive action on the engine. But I think it was done in Japan. I think they're probably onto it. So it's probably the proper coolant. I might just go with it. All right, that's all.